Hello, and thank you for tuning in to channel 24638. I'm Tyler, and this is my coworker Spencer.
Hello.
Yeah, we have Blizzard Stella approaching quickly. This is the live radar going on behind us. It's gonna cause devastation. Feet of snow. We're expecting at least like 25 feet of snow. It's going to be insane. We have a reporter live in the field. Let's jump to him.
Yes, thank you for that. I'm Tyler reporting from channel 24638. It's really coming down now. It's really windy right now. Yeah, it's hard to stay on my feet, to be honest. And oh my god, oh, the wind just knocked me off my feet right there. Excuse me for that. Everyone out there in Connecticut, be careful. Now, Blizzard Stella here in Connecticut, and going back to the station. Thank you very much.
Are we off? Okay, Tyler, and thank you for that. And thank you everyone out there that tuned in to channel 24638. And let's get right into the vlog.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a brand new video, and yeah, hopefully you guys like that little skit. I definitely exaggerated that there. But yeah, we actually did get a Blizzard Stella. We got like 1.5 feet of snow. Just taking a look outside, that's sort of what it looks like. It is now Wednesday right now. We don't have school today, and we didn't have school yesterday, so yeah, this is just gonna be a little vlog of what we're doing today. So yeah, let's just get into it. And yeah, in a couple minutes I think we're gonna go outside. I'm in Spencer's room right now. He has these giant fat heads on his wall. It's really cool. Alright, and now we're heading outside. I'm not showing you my room because it's really messy, but I'll clean it soon. But we're gonna bring this outside, the Wubble Bubble Ball, see how it reacts to the snow. And also guys, this is just a little announcement. Coming up this weekend, we're gonna be filming an insane video at the trampoline park. It's gonna be really fun, probably one of my best videos yet. And yeah, we're heading outside now. Okay, we totally messed up. Move your hand, Spencer. Look, we completely missed the hole that we were supposed to fill it up with. We created a massive hole in it. But luckily we have another one that we can do. Wubble Bubble number 2. And action! Okay, good. We actually got it in the spot that time. It is all blown up now. I have gloves on. I still have to put on a jacket, and then we're heading outside. Will it fit?
Yeah.
Looks like it will. I'm also gonna grab this thing right here, the mini trampoline. This thing is so fun. There we go. Oh my gosh, Spencer almost slipped on the ice. Whoa! Hey, go for it. Okay, I'm gonna get the mini trampoline right now. Okay, we got the mini trampoline in the snow. Spencer's gonna try to do a flip off of it. I'm gonna do one. My knee's hurting a little bit, so that's why I'm not gonna do a lot of them. Okay, I just pulled this out of the shed right there. There's snow all over it. We were riding this thing a lot yesterday. I didn't film anything yesterday because it was like raining and snowing. And I didn't want to get the camera messed up. Okay, me and Spencer are still riding the quad. It's a lot of fun, but it's actually starting to snow now. So I'm gonna bring the camera inside because I don't want to get it ruined. Okay, my camera battery is at like 2%. I'm gonna swap out the battery right now. Okay guys, I don't really know what happened. I recorded a couple clips after that, but apparently they got deleted. I just finished up editing the video. Sorry it's a little bit on the shorter side, but we're going to be filming a really cool video this weekend. I mentioned it earlier, but that's going to be a pretty long video, if not a two-parter. We're going to be at a trampoline park. I'm also going to be doing like a 10-minute live stream there around midnight on Saturday night, so you guys could try to guess what we're going to be doing at a trampoline park at midnight. Yeah, it's going to be a really fun video, and yeah, turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my live stream. All you have to do is hit that little bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button, and yeah, you'll be all good after that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.